Hey there, welcome to TERRA.
So what do you guys do here?
So what we do here is we grow vegetables and we raise our chickens.
All right, this is so cool. What do you guys keep in that like little storage thing?
We keep our worms to decompose some foods that we throw in there.
Ooh, and how about these shrubs and like flowers? What are those for?
They're used to come and attract different types of animals like bees and birds.
Oh, so what did you say they were good for?
They're used to pollinate the other plants around here.
All right, and how about this
This is
little
our
pond?
fish pond where we keep our 100 fishes.
That's so cool. How about those little logs and like benches? What are they for?
Well,
Or why are they there?
eventually they will become our benches that we will use so we can have outdoor classroom time and we can learn. Oh, now.
Oh, so what are these trees for?
Some of these trees are avocado trees and kumquats.
Oh, okay. And they haven't produced anything yet, huh?
No, we just recently planted them.
How many chickens do we have here?
We have 20 and we are selling them for $20 each. So if you want one, you could come and buy them for $20. And eventually in a couple months, in about 2 months, we are gonna be replacing them for our current chicks that we have and raising inside one of our classrooms.
How small are the current chicks, the new ones?
When we first got them, they were about my palm, but now they've grown to like both of my hands.
So why do we have chickens here at the garden?
We actually keep them here so they could produce eggs, and then we sell them to the teachers and students for $4 a dozen.
So what are you guys growing here at the garden?
We're growing pumpkins and watermelons,
How about that big bush over there? What is that?
collard greens. They're good.
And could you use them in like smoothies and stuff like that?
Yeah, you could. It's actually more healthier than kelp, but it's an underrated thing.
Well, I'm just amazed by how pretty this garden is.
Thanks.
Could anybody come and help here?
Yeah, this is a garden for the students and the community and the neighborhood.
Wow. All right, well, thank you for having me here.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Thanks. Hey, and if you want, you can show up on the weekdays after school.
Oh,
Thanks.
okay. Thank you. Bye.